Welcome. If you wonder if Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3 5G has a screen protection pre-installed, I will just show you. So this smartphone comes from the European distribution, and when you close on the screen, especially here on the corners, you can find a very thin foil that comes from the edge to the edge. It covers almost the whole screen. And also you can find some kind of the foil right here on the edges, at the bottom, and also right here, and to the speaker. Let me just catch focus here, in this place as you can see, and also in this place. It covers this whole part. When you take a look on the cameras, they are not covered, so you have to just take a look on them and be careful, because you can easily scratch them. So it will be good if you put on your Z Fold 3 some kind of the protection. And that's all. So if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.